Hey everyone, Tech Adventure with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your AirTag with someone else. So if you're using your AirTag for one of your items and you want to share that AirTag's tracking with someone else, you can do it through the Find My app. So let's show you how that's done. So first thing is I have this AirTag connected to my iPhone and I want to share with someone else. So in order to do that, first thing you're going to do is go ahead and find the Find My app on your iPhone. Now we're going to go ahead and open it up. And once you open it up, it's going to look something like this, or basically something of this nature. But basically, we're going to go to the items tab. So let's go to the items here. Now, once in your items, basically, you're going to see the name of your AirTag listed here. So find the one. If you have multiple ones, you're going to list multiple ones. For example, this one, I'm tracking my wallet. So it's going to say my name's wallet, or if you're tracking something else, whatever the custom name is, you're going to want to find that one that you want to share and then go ahead and click on it. And now once you click on it, you'll notice there's the option that says share this AirTag, which basically will allow us to add a person. And then when I do add a person, it's going to tell us what will happen. Basically, others can use this AirTag to locate the item in their Find My. So it's going to be added to their items Find My as well. And then notifications will be muted. So basically no one who shares the AirTag will get notified when the item is near. So keep that in mind. These are the two things that are going to happen. And if you're ready to share, and once you hit continue, you can select someone that's already on your list here, or find someone or put their phone number. And then once you do that, it's going to go ahead and do that. And then you can click on share, and it's going to go ahead and share the AirTag with them as well. And basically, once they get that AirTag notification, they will also have to go ahead and find it. So on their phone, if they're going to get a notification like that, where they have to add it to their device by just clicking on it, and then it will add it to their Find My as well. And both of the devices or the person that you're sharing with will be able to share that AirTag and its location. So that's how you do AirTag sharing. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and Apple accessories. We'll see you guys next time.